Hi!
Hello!
So we today have a special treat. We had gone up to some friends and she invited some more friends over and that friend brought homemade croutons, yes. And I was super excited about it. Begged her to leave the extras, ate them by themselves. So I don't have a recipe really for this. She kind of told me, and then I made the rest up in my head.
Yeah.
Have done it over and over. Love it. So we're going to do it. So here we go. Hi, I'm Panay.
I'm Paige. And I'm Paisley.
And we're the Pestos. This is a dab of crazy.
Make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And check out our blog for more recipes, funny stories, and our other social media.
Let's get cooking!
Okay, so first I found these sourdough loaves at Costco.
Sourdough? I've been obsessed with sourdough.
Yes, well these are pre-made. So I'm going to cut these up and this is what we use as our base. So let's move all this out of the way. Why don't you start with the butter?
Butter.
You can put that whole thing in there. And melt it.
How do I melt it?
Stare
at it with laser eyes.
Yes, do 30 seconds first and then we'll see how it is. So first, maybe we cut it in half because they become very big croutons, so. And then I have found that we could even do this part again because they are very big. So grab this handy dandy thing. It is a baggie holder. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You want to grab the pieces as I cut them.
Might eat some.
You can put them in the baggie holder.
If the crust falls off, I'm eating it.
Deal.
Yes!
But don't peel the crust off because it tastes amazing in the air fryer. Grab the butter.
Oh, yeah.
So what's funny is she was like, no, the lady said olive oil, and that's really good. But I've tried butter. It is so good.
Look, it's completely melted.
That's what I use. All right, that part is done.
One fell.
One tried to escape. That one's a little too big. Okay.
Did escape.
So now we're gonna
T-minus
throw
2 minutes
some
and 30 seconds.
butter in there.
Then we go shake, shake, shake.
We're gonna throw some Parmesan. Do about 2-ish tablespoons, 3.
Or handfuls.
Yeah,
As much
that's
as you
how
want.
I measure.
As much as you want.
Little bit of paprika, maybe.
Kind of looks like, makes it look like a little, like
Will
red
you grab
ant.
a spoon? Yeah, they are red ants. So I do garlic and garlic salt
Wow.
because we like garlic.
Yeah, we do like garlic.
So some garlic salt,
Then we get the garlic.
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 Oh, I forgot something.
What'd you forget?
The Italian herbs.
Italian seasoning.
Yep. Very important part. Right, that's it. And now we're going to, if I can get this off.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake it all up.
Shake it off.
perfect timing. It's just about done preheating. So
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom!
So I got these nifty little like cupcake cupcake papers that go inside the base of your
The first
air
time
fryer.
we used them, we made the
Mistake.
mistake of putting them in while we preheat it. It got on fire.
Don't preheat with this in. It catches on fire.
Fire!
So we're gonna do
I can
this.
already tell you these are gonna be good.
Oh, they're gonna be so good.
Can I just like eat one right now?
So we're gonna do a first batch.
A second batch and maybe a third batch.
No, I think we could do this in 2 batches. So come on.
If you stop me from eating it all, you might be able to do only one. That's 10 seconds.
No, it's 10 minutes. I'm still learning how to use my air fryer. Okay, we're good. So that's the first batch. And yeah. All right. First batch done. Oh, they look amazing. So you want them to be a little toasty like this.
Toasted roasted.
They look
Amazing. I want to. Can I just?
so they look amazing.
Amazing. Amazing.
First batch in. Ooh, they're hot. I was gonna say yes, but they're extremely hot. So let's let those cool. We'll get the second batch in. Oh, okay, it might be 3 batches. Ah! Stay in there.
I told you.
Yeah, we're gonna do 3 batches.
Maybe
You
4.
want them to be like just cover the bottom. You don't want to pile them too much because otherwise they don't cook right. So put these
In they
in.
go.
Watch out, please.
Nom.
Well, we're still waiting for now our 3rd batch. It took a little longer, but these look amazing.
Delicioso.
And I can already tell you because we've had them numerous times. This is the way, the butter, all of it. I store them in a reusable baggie.
It's salty, buttery.
Salty, buttery.
So good.
It is.
Sourdoughy,
Way better than store-bought croutons.
crunchy. Oh my
My
gosh.
son and daughter-in-law were in here and they were just, everyone snacking on them. Like literally, these are just a snack.
We'll probably eat all of them.
We do. We end up eating half of them before I can even put them in the bag. So that's how good they are. I recommend them.
Very recommended. Double thumbs up.
I agree. So bye.
Bye.